People are getting paid $500 for a PowerPoint. I searched presentation design on Fiverr just now. One seller, 10 slides, $500 flat. Another one, $280 for 10 slides, but he's already got 7 orders sitting in his queue. Therefore, people are paying right now for something you can build in one prompt. By the end of this video, you'll watch that exact $500 service get built. Here's the setup. This tool is called PI, short for Presentation Intelligence. You type a prompt, it writes the outline, designs the slides, and exports the file. No dragging boxes, no fighting with alignment. Look at the style options alone. Whiteboard style, retro anime, a paper tear effect that looks hand-cut. But here's the skepticism part, because you're probably thinking this looks like every other AI slide tool that spits out generic garbage. Therefore, let's prove it wrong. First thing you'll notice, no card required to start. Sign up and you get a $400 bonus credit plus 100 free credits daily. Free. Done. Inside, you've got 3 tools stacked into one system: AI video, AI image, and one-click slide generation. Quick note on the other two because they matter for the framing later. AI video runs on a model called Cdance 2.2 with a 2.4 fast mode for quicker renders, but we're focused on slides today because that's where the Fiverr money actually is. 3 separate subscriptions worth of tooling, stacked into one system for one prompt. Here's the exact process. Go to Edit mode. 2 paths. Professional PPT for simple business decks, invoices, that kind of thing. Creative PPT for anything that needs to actually look designed. We're building a digital product deck, so Creative PPT. Type the prompt, hit enter. It asks you to pick a theme first. Multiple options generate based on your prompt. Pick the one that matches your idea and submit. But watch this, it's not just picking colors, it's writing the entire outline from scratch, researching the topic, structuring 10 full slides. The exact slide count those Fiverr sellers charge $250 to $500 for. Confirm the outline and it starts building. But the first draft won't be perfect. Here's why that matters more than you think. First generation comes back looking cluttered. Too much crammed on each slide, no breathing room. So don't accept version 1. Type a follow-up, add more slides, give it space to breathe, hit enter. It regenerates, this time 15 slides instead of 10. Paper tear effect, unique color pairing, actual white space. That's the difference between a client rejecting your work and a client paying full price. Export options, PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, JPG. Pick whatever the client needs. Second build, different use case, a pitch deck. Same creative PPT path, different prompt, pasted straight in. Theme selected to match a more professional tone this time. Outline generates 8 slides, tighter because a pitch deck doesn't need 15, but the first version comes back with placeholder sections. So regenerate once more. Confirm, and this time it builds every slide with the visuals locked in. Pricing slide, closing CTA slide, the works. Less decoration, more professionalism. That's the tool adjusting its own design language based on what you're building. So here's the actual opportunity. 3 builds, maybe 20 minutes total across prompting, waiting, and regenerating. The market rate for that output? $250 to $700 per project based on real listings that exist right now. But here's the part most people skip. You don't need a portfolio built from imaginary clients. You just built 3 real exportable decks. That's your portfolio. Screenshot them, list them on Fiverr yourself, and you're not starting from zero. You're starting with proof already in hand. You're not learning a tool. You're learning a service you can list today with the work samples already sitting in your export folder. If you want the exact prompts I used for all 3 of these builds, the digital product deck, the pitch deck, and the agenda mode build, they're in the description. But if you want to go further than just this one tool, that's exactly what I break down inside the community. Systems like this stacked, so you're not rebuilding your income from scratch every time a tool changes. And if you're still wondering whether this actually holds up outside a screen recording, I already stress tested it on a real client brief. That's the next video.